I literally just checked out and I'm traveling again, but this time I'm taking a train. I'm headed down to Batumi, the coastal side of Georgia. Guys, come along with me. Let me take you along this beautiful journey. I'll see you in a bit. So this is where I'm catching the train, guys. This is platform 1 in Tbilisi Central train station. So I have 1 more hour waiting until I leave. I'm literally very excited to go back to Batumi. Actually, it's my favorite place here in Georgia. So I decided not to stay long in Tbilisi and head straight to Batumi because it's the coastal side, there's the ocean and all of that. So it's almost winter season here in Georgia. So I decided to head down to Batumi first before it gets cold. It's still a little bit warm. Anyway guys, I'm super excited. The train will be here in an hour. I'm just gonna chill and wait here. So come along with me on my journey to Batumi. I will be riding on first class, which costed me 74 Georgian lari, and I purchased it from the 2nd floor of Tbilisi train station. It's here. Woo-wee. Super excited. Guys, I'm in the train and I just dropped my bags here. This is so cool. There's a vending machine with water and all the snacks. I have to look for my seat. 14. These are so cool, guys. The leg room is amazing. So guys, we are about to depart, and I don't know why I didn't request for a window seat. I'm so annoyed because I'm literally sitting on the aisle, but hopefully it's not full so that I can move to a window seat so that I show you the amazing views. But anyway, I'm super excited. I hope you are too.
Train ride just to see you, ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. nights will come.
We finally reached. Ooh la la, look at that, guys.
'Cause I just can't let go. And there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone.
Ooh, guys, I have finally arrived and it's so sunny. I just love the weather here because it's not cold. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Anyway, see you in a bit. I'm headed to my hotel. This is my taxi. Whew, guys, I'm finally here.
It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'm fixed in a framework that is moving beyond my control. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call.
Welcome to Batumi. I just checked into my apartment. I just want to quickly share it with you guys. So when you walk in, this is the first thing you come across. Huge mirrors right in front, and also a mini kitchen over here with a hot burner stove, one burner stove for that matter. But it's okay, it's okay for me. We got glasses and coffee mugs up there, a microwave, a mini fridge, and this is the bathroom. We have a toilet, a washing machine, big mirror, a big shower, which I love so much. Okay, moving on. This is the bedroom slash living room. There's a little one-seater couch here, and that's my bed, white linen honey. And we have a like a dining table with chairs over here and a big TV screen. This is so beautiful, and mirrors, of course. I love mirrors so much, guys. Anyway, let's head outside. Let me show you the views. This is Batumi. Look how beautiful this is, guys. And right across there is the ocean, the Black Sea. So this is where I'll be staying, guys. Wow. Guys, make sure to tune in to Happy Muncher and see what I get up to here in Batumi. I'm so happy to be back here. Oh my god, I have so many good memories here in Batumi, and I hope to extend those memories. I will be taking you through my experiences here in Batumi, and smash that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my upcoming videos here in Batumi. And guys, do make sure that you like my videos. See you on my next video. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Comenzó de serme fiel el día que me falte.